Hi, welcome back. I was asked in one of my things to do a Zen install, which is just another type of virtualization. So far, we've done Overt, we've done, I believe, VMware, and there's Proxmox. This is Xenserver 6.2 by Citrix, and we'll just go through an install. And this is going from a ISO disk that you can install or download from Citrix, and then, like I said, this is version 6.2.0. And we'll just go through the install steps here. Select your proper language, and then use to install Xenserver, so click OK. Accept the end user license agreement. Say OK again. Here we've got a 20 gig disk. Local media. I have no supplemental packs. And we're going to skip verifications to ISO so we know it should be good. And here we're going to give it a password. Okay. And we'll just let this be automatic for now. Okay. Guard time zone. A manual for this, but you can use NTP if you'd like. Install. And it's going through the preparation for the installation of the Xenserver. After this installs, we'll also connect to it from the desktop client, and I can show you how it looks from that perspective. Pretty nice, easy installation, very similar to Proxmox as well as VMware. Basically, you set up your hypervisors first, and then you connect your hypervisors from a console or a control over. Actually, uses a web interface type thing. Um, VMware also has we call it a VIC, but it's basically a client that connects to it, and then Zen actually has their own desktop management that will connect to it as well. To me, the next greatest tool would be console management that would connect to all three of the um, hypervisors, and I'm sure there's probably something out there that I don't know about, but to me that would be the ultimate tool. Again, I'll go through and uh, make some edits to make this, around 5 minutes. Right now it's going through the completion of the installation, basically setting up the boot manager and all the underlying connectivity, get it started up after reboot. Right now it's basically asking for the date, time, all looks good. Okay, we just need to remove any media and reboot. It's just going through the startup after the install. Once it comes online, then we'll be able to connect. You can either go through, I guess, this interface if you want to create things, or it's much easier using the desktop. And we'll see if we can't get the desktop connected here. Okay, so that part of it is done, and then now what we'll do is I'll show connecting from the desktop client. Where you put in the IP address and then the password that you used to set up the root account when you installed the hypervisor. And Right there, we are connected to it. See the general information on it. And it's also letting us know that there's some updates available on it. But that's your basic install and your connection from the desktop client to it. Thank you, and stop back for some more information on different technologies and stuff like that revolving around Linux. Again, I appreciate your time, and thanks. And you can also get more information at info.bing14.net. Thanks a lot.